Question 1. College data collected over recent years indicated that the decision to take an elective course in Spanish is independent of the decision to take a course in computer science. 45% of students take Spanish courses, 2/5 of students take computer science. A. Calculate the probability that a randomly selected student takes both courses. So with this word independent, we can look at the formula sheet and we know that for two events A and B, the probability that somebody does both A and B is the probability of doing A multiplied by the probability of doing B, if these two events are independent. So we can write down here the probability of Spanish intersection computer science is the probability of Spanish multiplied by the probability of computer science. 45% means 0.45 multiplied by 2/5. With our calculator, 0.45 multiplied by 2 over 5, 0.18. B. Complete the Venn diagram. So we have a circle for Spanish, a circle for computer science. Where they intersect, we can see from part A, 18%, 0.18 will be there. Above, we had 0.45 for Spanish, so I'm going to write 0.45. That corresponds to all the people in the Spanish circle. So with the subtraction, we get 0.27. Computer science, it says 2/5. Let's go to the calculator. 2 divided by 5, that's 40%, 0.4. So if we put 0.40, that is our computer science circle. Therefore, with the subtraction, 0.22. As everything from the four regions, 1, 2, 3, and outside, from all four regions adds up to 1, if we do a subtraction, we end up with 0.33 for the people who take neither course. C. What is the probability that a randomly selected student takes only one of these courses? Only one of these courses means these people just Spanish, these people just computer science. So we're just going to do 0.27 plus 0.22, 0.49. What's the probability that somebody takes at least one of these courses? At least one of the courses is here, here, and here. The only people who wouldn't be included are the 0.33. So we could directly do 1 minus those who don't get included, 0.67. D, part 1. What's the probability of S dash, not S? So this is not Spanish people. Could be written like this with a bar at the top. Who does not do Spanish? These people and these people do not do Spanish. 0.22 plus 0.33, 0.55. D2, what's the probability of Spanish intersection computer science? That is and. It is intersection. We have that in part A, that is 0.18. 3. Probability of Spanish or computer science. That means one or the other or both. That's those three, same as C part 2, so we can write down straight away 0.67. E. Calculate the probability that a student studies computer science given that they study Spanish. So we know they're studying Spanish. So we are not looking at anybody in these sections here. It is just inside this circle. We want somebody who studies computer science. So that is those people. So as a fraction, we can say that out of 0.45, we are only looking inside that circle, out of that, and we can look at our diagram above, we have 0.18 is where that tick is, the computer science people. With the calculator, 0.18 divided by 0.45, and we get 0.4. Okay.